Numbers to the? Uh-oh. Okay, good. Numbers to the right are what? 55,000. Because at least 55,000 is 55,000 or more. 55,000 or more. Isn't that right? If you make at least 55,000, you make $55,000 or more. Okay, you guys okay with this? What's the next step? Convert. Z is x minus 80,000 divided by what number? 18,000. Isn't that mu? Isn't that sigma? Those values are given to you. Those are always given. But tell me now, what is 80? If we take all these x values and we convert them to z values, to normal values, can you guys tell me, what does 80,000 get converted to? 0. If I plug in 80,000 here, isn't 80,000 minus 80,000 0? This will always happen when you convert the mean, always. What if I convert 55,000? I plug in 55,000 now. What's the corresponding z value? Z is, what's 55,000 minus 80? Negative 25,000. Divided by what? Divided by 18,000. What's the z value? Negative 1.39? Okay. Negative 1.39. So that your picture now looks like as a z standard normal distribution. This is going to be 55, I'm sorry, negative what? This is negative 1.39, 0. It's a z distribution. Okay? Notice again, who can tell me what percent of the bell is shaded on the right in your right pocket? 50%. Good. What percent is shaded here? We're saying it's what? 41.77%. How do you find that? You look at your z table. You get as close as you can to, oh, that's a negative value. We don't have a negative value table. What do you use? Positive. Good. What do you look for? Get as close as you can to 1.39 without going over 1 point what? 1.3 row. Which column? The 0.09 column. What do you guys see there? 0.4177. That's what you guys should see, right? Final answer. Final answer. What's this? 41.77 plus 50 is 91.77%. So the IRS says, or looks at this and says, guess what? 91.77% of families of 4 make at least $55,000 a year. I don't know. We just made it up, right? And I don't know how accurate this information is, right? We just made it up. It's because you guys like money and you like family. Bless you. Do you need money to have a family? You do? Even if you're a mech. Yeah, you need some pigs because they got to eat, I guess. Do you got to eat? What does question 3 say? Between what? Between $55,000 and how much? $90,000. Between 55,000 and 90,000. So don't we know, again, that 80,000 is the mean and it's in the center? So can you guys tell me, where is 55,000 in relation to 80? To the right or to the left? To the left. So this is going to be your what? 55,000, right? Now where's 90,000? To the right. So here's where 90,000. So now what are the values that live between these? Everything what? In the middle. Isn't that between? Not between? So then you're going to shade what? The bell that's between these regions. All right, you guys okay with that? Anybody have any questions on this part? I just drew a picture of the question. What's the next step? Convert. What do you convert using? X minus the mean, 80,000, divided by the standard deviation, 18,000. That's your conversion formula. Now notice this is what's happening. I am converting not just one value, I am converting now what? Two values. I already know 80,000 is going to be what? 0. I already know, what is 90,000 going to be? We already converted it. We did it already. Point what? 0.56. Did we convert 55,000 yet? What is it? Negative 1.39. So, if I wanted, I can either use a picture on the top, or I can create another bell where this is 0.56, and this is a minus 1.39. Here's my z, shade everything this way. Step 3 says to use my what now? Use your z-table to deduce your answer. Guess what? Do you guys want to tell me what this is? Do you want to tell me how much is in your left pocket? 41. How did you know that? We already did it. Good. Isn't it right here? Got it right here, right? How much is in your right pocket? How much? How did you know it's 21.23? We already what? We already did it. What do you do with these two answers? Do you subtract them? How do you know you add them? Left pocket, right pocket, you're right. What do you get when you add these values? It's like 60 something, right? 62, 63? What is it? 63 point? 63 point what? Is it just 63% exactly? Huh? Yes, another coincidence. 63%. Wow. Isn't that weird?